Setting up an HP LaserJet P1102w printer on a wireless network from Windows. Install your HP LaserJet P1102w printer on a wireless network in Windows. To successfully set up and install your printer, you must have a Windows computer that is connected to the network that you want to install the printer on. An HP LaserJet P1102w printer turned on with paper loaded, an active Internet connection, a USB cable for a temporary connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. On your computer, go to support.hp.com/drivers and follow the prompts to download the full-feature software for your printer. Once downloaded, open the software from the browser or your Downloads folder. If prompted, select Yes to continue. The software extracts and then opens. If the software does not open automatically, open File Explorer. Navigate to the C drive and select the folder named with your printer name and full solution. Open hpsetup.exe. If prompted, select Yes to continue. Select Easy Install and then select Next. Select your printer from the list and then select Next. Select Configure to print over the wireless network and then select Next. The software and drivers install. When prompted, connect a USB cable from the printer to the computer. The connection is detected and the installation continues. On the Wireless Configuration utility, select Next. When prompted for a wireless discovery method, select Automatic to scan the computer for the wireless network credentials, and then select Next. Your network credentials are found, and the network name displays. Select Next. The printer connects to the wireless network. Disconnect the USB cable from the printer and computer. And then select Finish on your computer. A test page prints, confirming the connection. You can start printing wirelessly to your HP LaserJet P1102w printer.